Welcome to my channel Connection. I request to my lovely viewers to subscribe, like and share my channel and support me to make new videos in the upcoming days. Tips number 1. Landscape and portrait page orientation in the same document. I'm using Word 2016, but it also works from Word 2007 and above. Now open a blank document, click on the Insert button, click on Page Break. When we click on Page Break, it will add a new page. Click on the Layout tab, click on Page Setup, click on Landscape Orientation, and apply to drop down list. Click here and select this point forward. Click OK. Now our second page is changed to landscape orientation. We need a third page in portrait orientation. For this, again click on Insert button, click on Page Break. New page added, but it is in landscape orientation. Click on Layout tab, click on Page Setup, select Portrait Orientation, click on Apply to drop down list, this point forward, click OK. Now our first page is portrait, second page is landscape, and third page is portrait. I demonstrate in the blank document, but it is slightly different activity will carry out in an existing document. I have a ready-made document. It has 3 pages. I want to make page 2 in landscape orientation. For this, place the mouse pointer in the second page, click on Insert button, Page Break, a new page will be added. We will do nothing in the blank page. Now select all the text in the page 2. Now click on Layout, Page Setup, select Landscape Orientation, apply to drop down list. We click here Selected Text. Click OK. Now it changes. Now we delete this page. How to delete? Just click backspace from your keyboard one or more than one time. Now you see first page is portrait, second page is landscape, and third page is portrait again. Tips number 2. How to select multiple pieces of text at a time in a document. It is a very handy tips. It works from Word 2003 and above. First, we select this piece of text and hold Control button from your keyboard and select abacus, then Napier bones, then Pascaline, difference engine, analytical engine. Now just copy from here, or you can press Ctrl+C. Now click on blank document. Now simply click on paste button. It appears. Tips number 3. Shortcut to change the case of text in a shortcut way. Change the capitalization or case of text. We can change the case in Word by using the ribbon. Suppose we want to change these into capital alphabet, then we click here and click on uppercase. It changes. But this is a conventional method, but now I am showing the fastest method to change a selected text to your desired case. This method is applied from Word 2010 and above. First, select the text. Then, from your keyboard, press Shift and press F3 button. F3 button, it changes to title case, means capital alphabet in each word. Then press again Shift plus F3, it changes into uppercase. Press Shift plus F3 again, it changes to lowercase. Tips number 4. Leave the Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V shortcut for a speedy method. Usually we do, suppose we want to cut this piece of text, then we select it and press Ctrl+X and place the cursor to a new location and press Ctrl+V. This is a conventional method, but I'm demonstrating another method. First, select the piece of text, then press F2 button, F2, and place the cursor to a new location and press and hit enter button. It comes. Tips number 5. Change the font size in a shortcut way. Every Word user first select the text, then they go to the change case font size drop down list and click and select a desired font size. The shortcut to change the bigger font size is Ctrl plus third bracket closed or third parenthesis closed. Click once, 12 to it makes 13. Click again, it is bigger. If you want to make it smaller, then hold Ctrl button and press third bracket open and click, press third bracket one or more time. There is another shortcut method to change font size. At first you select the text and then press Ctrl plus Shift button and press greater than sign from your keyboard. It will also change. And when you want to make it smaller size, then press Ctrl plus Shift and less than sign. This is for today. I will come back very soon with a new video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.